This thing was a really, really deep gash right there. Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog, and welcome back to day two. I can't do two of the 5-day ketosis challenge. So heading up to work right now. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, I checked my ketones yesterday and I was not in ketosis, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. Wow, bro, what is going on?
Dude, check out my new specs, bro.
Oh, look at those guys. Look at those glasses. You ain't cool unless you got glasses like those. So those are blue light blockers. No, not blue ball blockers, because that's I know that's what a lot of you are thinking. They won't help you there. So unfortunately, welcome to the club. But they will stop you from getting like eye strain and brain fog and headaches, because if you're staring at a computer all day like Ross is, because he's always doing freaking orders. Look at all these orders, bro. What is all this?
Just sauces, new mutant sauce came out.
Oh yeah, that's right, guys. So for those of you who don't know, the new mutant sauce just came out. I'm telling you, this is so freaking good. And if you guys recognize that guy, yes, that is Nick Walker. Shout out to Nick, man, just revolutionizing the industry. So yeah. Yeah, guys, so if you guys want to try this out, or the sweet poppy or any of the other sauces, all you have to do is swipe up. And actually, this is not Instagram. I'm thinking this is Instagram. What am I doing? Go to the link in the description below. I have a link. Use that link, and you can also use my code. Get yourself some sauces. If you're tired of eating boring food, if you're tired of your food tasting like just dog crap and cardboard, put some Gaines Bakery sauces on there. Or Flavor Gang, that's right. Put some Flavor Gang on your food and just change the way it tastes. So anyways, all right, man, let's get to work. All right, guys, so like I was saying, day two of the 5-day ketosis challenge. Now, like I said, I was not in ketosis yesterday, but I knew that was gonna happen because over the weekend, I ate like absolute crap. I mean, we were celebrating my brother's birthday. It was Mother's Day, so I was with family the whole weekend. I ate a bunch of ice cream. Yes, I ate ice cream cake and just a lot of, food that I typically wouldn't eat on my traditional ketogenic diet. So I knew I wasn't gonna be in ketosis, but this 5-day ketosis challenge came at the perfect moment because I need to get back on track. I keep telling myself, I'll do keto, for 4-5 days, just good, clean eating, and then the weekend comes and I just go right down the hill. And so I'm constantly just spinning my wheels. I'm not going anywhere. I'm eating good, then it goes to crap. Then I eat good, then it goes to crap. I really need this 5-day ketosis challenge to get me back on track and to keep me on track so I can keep this going, because like I said, summer's here. I've been telling you guys, if you want to get in shape, you want to get shredded, you needed to start doing that back in February, April. Not now, towards the middle of May. But hey, that's the predicament that I put myself in, so I want to get lean and shredded like I was last year for this summer, because I do plan on going to the beach at some point. I do plan on taking a vacation at some point, especially probably for my birthday. I gotta get in shape, and so this 5-day ketosis challenge is gonna help me build that habit and keep me going and keep me on track. Checked for ketones yesterday and was not in ketosis, so we're gonna check today. Let's see if we're in ketosis today. Now, okay, let me give you the game plan of what I did yesterday. So strict ketogenic diet. I did do a little bit of intermittent fasting. I didn't get to do any cardio because my leg is messed up. I'll talk a little bit about that a little bit later on. If you guys don't like to see blood or like gashes or anything like that, then you probably won't want to watch this, but I'll warn you again before I show you. If you follow me on Instagram, then you definitely have been seeing the updates, but I hurt my leg really bad. I'll tell you the story here in a little bit, but let's check my ketones. Needless to say, I checked my ketones yesterday, was not in ketosis, so let's see where we're at today. Oh yeah, so game plan that I did yesterday. Strict ketogenic diet. Didn't get to do any cardio. That definitely probably would have helped a lot. But then I did do a pretty long workout. So I worked out, since I didn't get to do cardio, I worked out for about an hour and a half. Just a lot of supersets, a lot of drop sets, and trying to burn up through that glycogen storage. So that's the thing. The reason why I wasn't in ketosis yesterday, because I still had glycogen in my storage from all the carbs that I ate over the weekend. So here we go. Let's test. Pull this little lancing device back. Boom. All you gotta do is press. I promise it doesn't hurt. I promise. Got the blood right there. All right. Let's check. Let's check. All right. Am I gonna be in ketosis? I would say yes. I can literally get back in ketosis pretty quick. With exercise and being strict keto. Oh, 0.3. Okay, I am not in ketosis yet, but that's not a problem. That's pretty good. So let me take a picture of this because I need to post this on Instagram video. So there we go. 0.3. So yesterday I was at a low, so meaning that it couldn't even read any ketones in my blood. Now we're at a 0.3, so that tells me we are on track. Yes, I know I'm not in ketosis yet, but I'm still okay with that because at least my blood is registering that there are some ketones in my blood. So I'm burning up through that glycogen, and now I'm slowly producing ketones. So I'm right on track, which typically takes me 1 to 2 days. So I think I will probably be in ketosis tonight with the strict keto eating that I'm gonna eat today, and then my long workout after 5 o'clock. I'm sure tonight I probably will be in ketosis. So right on track. So those of you who are doing the 5-day ketosis challenge, if you're not in ketosis, don't worry, it's all good. Just make sure you get some type of exercise. Try to do intermittent fasting. Make sure you have a really good workout, where you're expending a lot of energy to burn up through that glycogen as fast as possible. And also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Let me know what your readings are. If you don't have an Instagram or you don't have Facebook, let me know in the comments below because I want to know where your ketone readings are for yesterday and today. Today we're doing a giveaway with High Keys and SynFit Nutrition. If you want to win some protein, some 0-calorie pancake syrup, just tag your ketone reading to myself or ketocoach.health and you'll be entered in to win. So there you go. Okay. Story time. It is time for story time. So let me give you an update on what happened to my leg. So last week we were doing a lot of moving into the new house, and idiot me, yes, I wasn't thinking. I know a lot of you can be like, bro, what were you thinking? That's the problem. I wasn't thinking. So I needed to reach something in my garage. And so I was like, I can't reach that. So let me see what I can do. So I jumped on my washer, which has a glass top. I climbed on it, got on it with both my knees. As soon as I was reaching for whatever I needed to grab, crack, the glass shattered, it scraped up all my knees. I thought I was gonna have to go to the hospital, which I probably needed to go to the hospital, but again, idiot me, didn't do it. I just said, I'll just wrap it up, we'll be okay, we need to keep moving. And so let me show you the results. So I have been battling with this really deep gash. Yes, I understand. I most likely needed to go to the hospital to get stitches, but I didn't. So we gotta do what we gotta do. So right now I have been cleaning it, putting antibacterial cream on it, airing it out, wrapping it up, trying to keep it as clean as possible, washing it twice a day. But this is where we're at right now, and this is why I can't do cardio. So if you guys don't want to see any like blood or a deep gash, then fast forward 20 seconds. So here we go. So this is how it is looking right here. Not sure if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get into the light. This thing was a really deep gash right there. But yes, I've been cleaning it and putting a bunch of antibacterial cream. And then this is my other half of my leg right here. Again, everything's pretty healed up so far. Nothing really bad. I mean, it's been about a week, but this one is taking a really long time. Now, I think where I messed up is I kept putting peroxide on the wound. So shout out to everyone who follows me on Instagram. All those nurses, all those doctors, all those healthcare people were giving me tips. And so you guys were like, yes, stop with the hydroperoxide. You're killing the good bacteria and you're killing the new skin. So I stopped doing that, and that may have slowed down the healing process, but that is where I'm at right now. So that is story time. Don't be an idiot. Don't be stupid, and climb on something that's glass or it may break and you may cut yourself. So that is the update on my leg. Okay guys, so I always get asked this question, but hey, it's time to talk about it again. So let's talk about plateaus, why people get plateaus. It's never one reason. Everybody always wants to point to one thing, whether that's, you know, working out or your nutrition. It could be a variety of things. So first of all, why are you in a plateau? Well, ask yourself, are you eating in a calorie surplus? Or are you eating in a calorie deficit? Because it could be you're eating way too much and you wouldn't know that because you're not tracking your macros. Or you could be eating so little that your body is like in starvation mode, and so it's just saving everything. So you're saying like, Logan, I can't lose weight. I'm only eating 1,000 calories, which is pretty insane. That's pretty low. That's like kind of like what Isaiah eats. Yeah, but right. So your body is like, doesn't know when it's gonna get food again, so it's storing everything, which is why you can't lose weight, which is why you're in a plateau. So again, it's never one thing. It could be a variety of things, and I'll go over all the different reasons why you're probably in a plateau. But first, let me finish this set. So, pick up where I left off. You gotta track your macros. If you're not tracking your macros, then you don't know exactly what you're putting in your body or not putting in your body. It's like having a business and saying like, man, I don't know if we're making income or I don't know if we're making profits or not. Well, because you're not counting your money, it doesn't make sense, right? So you gotta track your macros. Number two, what type of exercise are you doing? Or are you just, you know, doing the bare minimum? Maybe that's why. Maybe you need to step up your exercise game. Go from, you know, your traditional standard cardio, which is steady state. Maybe you need to switch it up to HIIT cardio, which is high intensity interval training. That is killer cardio, and it's really good, really beneficial. So highly recommend maybe you switch up your training styles. If you come from a more bodybuilding aspect, you know, which is what I train. Yes, it's intense, but for the most part, a lot of people are in between sets, recording YouTube videos, doing stupid shit, or they're on their phones. Maybe you need to go to like CrossFit or something that's like high pace, very low amounts of rest. You're just go. Because at the end of the day, it's all about expending that energy, burning calories, getting in that calorie deficit, and so you can burn that body fat. So take a step back, make sure you're tracking macros, take a look at your training, whatever your training is, maybe you need to switch it up. One other thing that people don't ever think about is stress. Stress plays a huge role in making your body plateau. Your nutrition could be on point, your workouts could be on point, everything you're doing is on point, but you're stressed out. Maybe you're going through some financial issues, things at work, the pandemic, whatever that may be. And if you're stressed out, your body's gonna produce a thing called cortisol. Cortisol is not good for your body. There's a handful of things that it does to your body, but just keep it short and simple since we're talking about this topic. It will make you plateau. So if your vibes are not in the right state of mind, then it doesn't matter how much you're working out, your nutrition, it doesn't matter. You're gonna be in a plateau until you can clear your vibes, get to the right state of mind, and get everything back on track. So that is one thing that people always tend to forget. So let's continue with this workout. Okay, all right, one other thing that kind of goes with stress is you're not getting enough sleep. People think if you stay up all night, hey, the longer I stay up, the more energy I'm expending, the more weight I should lose, right? Wrong. Your body needs recovery, your body needs to sleep. Sleep is very important, whether you're trying to build muscle, lose weight, regardless, your body needs to recover. So you need to be aiming to get at least 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep. Now I know we live in a very, very busy world. It's very hard to get 8 hours of sleep, especially if you have 2 kids like me. But you know, getting 3, 4 hours of sleep, that's just not optimal. It's not optimal for your body trying to build muscle, grow, lose weight. So sleep is very, very important. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? You getting your baby wet?
Yeah, the baby's wet.
Dude, what in the world? You crazy. Okay guys, so one last tip is you gotta keep your food clean. Now trust me, I follow all the keto people on Instagram and on YouTube, and I've seen it. Look, cream cheese, cheese that, heavy whipping cream, bacon, everything but the bagel seasoning, all that stuff. Now look, I know that is good tasting, keto friendly foods, but at the end of the day, that's not what's gonna get you super lean and help you lose weight. And Camila is really, really loud back there. So for me, once I eliminated dairy and just started cooking all my foods from home, that's when I had the best results. Not doing lazy keto, not going to McDonald's, getting bunless burgers, going to Sonic, getting bunless hot dogs, getting Wingstop wings and ranch and blue cheese, and making these keto pizzas and keto donuts and all these treats. Now look, that is keto friendly and you probably can lose weight, but if you're in a plateau and you're eating that way, then most likely you need to switch it up and go super clean keto, lean proteins, yes, like chicken breast, lean steak, and get your fats from other sources like avocado oil, macadamia nuts, olive oil, MCT oil, things like that. Once I switched that up, I got super shredded and I broke past that plateau, and I bet you will too. So those are my tips, guys. So that's gonna be it for the video. I gotta go watch Camila. She's running around everywhere. I don't want her to mess up anything. I hope you did enjoy it. I'll see everybody on day 3 of the 5-day ketosis challenge. If you're doing this challenge with me, dude, seriously, bro. Seriously. Okay, I really gotta go. If you're doing the 5-day ketosis challenge, make sure you tag me on Instagram and tag ketocoach.health so you can win free giveaways. And she's parent life. I love you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. That's not funny.